Welcome to Inner Classes. Encapsulate logic within classes. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Creating separate classes for helper logic can scatter related code and increase complexity. How do we group related code tightly? Separate classes scatter related logic. Increased file and class count. Loose coupling where tight is needed. Inner classes keep helper logic bundled within the class that uses it. How is inner classes used in the real world? Event listeners. Handle UI interactions cleanly. Data structures. Implement linked list nodes. Callback handlers. Define anonymous action handlers. Inner classes powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So, what happens without inner classes? Separate classes for UI event handlers create distance. Look at how messy the code gets. Classes scattered in files. Hard to see relationships. Cannot access private fields. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution: inner classes. Look how clean the code is now. Access private members. Logical grouping. Encapsulation improved. Compare the difference. And that is why we use inner classes. Let's see how to implement inner classes in code. Here is the implementation. Outer class. Define main container class. Outer field. Private field in outer class. Inner class. Define class inside outer. Inner method. Method in inner class. Access outer field. Inner accesses outer's private field. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is an inner class? Which one is correct? The correct answer is: inner class is defined within another class. How to create inner class object? Which one is correct? The correct answer is: need outer instance, outer.new inner. What's printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is: inner class can access outer class fields. Which is not an inner class type? Which one is correct? The correct answer is: public is access modifier, not inner class type. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.